Today, I'll show you how to change phone settings on an Android device. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Once you open Settings, you'll see a list of options. Let's go step by step. At the top, you'll find Wi-Fi. Tap on it, turn it on, and connect to a network by selecting your Wi-Fi and entering the password. Next is SIM card and mobile data. Here you can manage your mobile network, turn data on or off, and check your balance or network settings. Then you have Bluetooth. Tap it, turn it on, and connect to devices like headphones or speakers. For screen settings, go to Display and Brightness. You can adjust brightness, enable dark mode, change screen timeout, or set wallpaper. For sound, open Sound and Vibration. Here you can control volume levels, change ringtone, notification sounds, and vibration settings. If you want to manage apps, go to Apps Management. You can see all installed apps, uninstall apps, or clear storage and cache. For security, tap Password and Security. You can set a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint lock to protect your phone. You can also explore battery settings to save power or additional settings for language, date and time, and more options. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top of Settings. Just type what you need, and it will show you the option instantly. Once you make any changes, they are saved automatically. No need to press a Save button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.